Hello everyone, this is Monica Chiller. Today, in this video, we will be discussing with types and dimensions of business environment. This is one of the topic from chapter 3, 12th Business Studies. So let's start with the topic. As you can see the diagram is all about types of business environment. In previous video, the introduction part was explained. Means environment means the surroundings within which all the activities are performed. So this environment is categorized into two main parts, external and internal. External environment basically outside the control of the management, or we can say this is the environment on which the managers don't have any control, because it is clear from the name only that external means it belongs to outside. It includes all the outer factors which may affect the functioning of an organization. Reverse to this, internal environment means such factors which belongs to inside the organization and managers has full control over these factors. Right? Internal includes objectives which will be determined by the management, resources, that how many resources will be arranged, how many employees will work in an organization, policies will be formulated, organizational structure will be determined under organizing function. These all are the factors or forces which are associated with inner atmosphere of an organization. So these are under the control of management. The most important part is external environment, because it affects either directly or indirectly, and there is no control of the management over these factors. Now, this external environment is further categorized into two parts, that is micro and macro. Micro means at small scale, at small level. Another name for micro is specific forces. Macro means at large scale. Another name is general forces. So these are the forces which can affect the functioning. Micro includes like investors, supplier, competitor. These may affect individual firms at small level. But macro or general environment includes various dimensions of business environment which need to be studied by the managers on regular basis, and as per the changes are taking place under macro, the same changes need to be adopted by the managers in their organization. Right? Now let us discuss macro in detailed form. It includes various dimensions of business environment, and the term is named as PESTEL. Under PESTEL, P stands for political environment. It includes government rules and regulations, government ideology, philosophy of the government, or we can say it includes all such factors which are related to government. Right? Suppose government changed any rule and which affects a particular industry. So the industry's management need to cope up with the changes, because it's a change at the macro level or at a large scale which may affect different firms differently. Right? Next is economic environment. Under this kind of environment, the factors like increase or decrease in demand, demonetization, bank rate, GDP, etc. are studied. Or these factors can affect the overall performance of an organization. Now the next one is social environment. It includes sociological factor, for example, customer taste and preference, right? Income level of the consumers, their preferences, all the factors which belongs to society are included under social environment. Suppose customer changes their demand, their taste, or their preference. Accordingly, management need to adopt the changes in their product. Only then sales will increase. The next is technological environment. Under technological, the factors related to technical terms are studied. Like if any outdated technology business organization is using, then customer will not like that product. Customer liked only those products which are produced by updated technology or newer technology. So management need to keep in mind the technologies which are taking place in the market. Right? Now the last one is legal environment. Mainly it includes all the acts or amendment in the acts. For example, Companies Act 1956 amended in 2013. तो जो अमेंडमेंट मीन्स जो चेंजेस हुए वो हर बिजनेस की मैनेजमेंट को अडॉप्ट करने पड़ेंगे बिकॉज इट्स अ फैक्टर विच इफेक्ट्स द बिजनेस अंडर लीगल एनवायरमेंट. This is all about macro environment, or we can say the dimensions of business environment, right? So we can say business environment is a very important term which need to be studied by the managers on regular basis so that necessary changes can be done in the system, right? This is all about types and dimensions of business environment.